What's up, guys? Any expediter, any delivery person, anybody who does any kind of taking boxes into some place or really any kind of delivery business could use a very, very compact 2-in-1 hand truck. This is called a hand truck. What I like about this guy is, I'll show you everything. This handle goes taller if you need to. This lip, watch this. This lip will get put away. Make it flat, completely flat. So you guys can put your boxes on here or something that really won't slip off or whatnot. Or something longer than this platform goes on here. We do a lot of medical delivery loads that actually this would work perfect for. It's got some nice rubber wheels on the bottom. This goes up if you need to, go higher. I'll show you. Adjusts really to any person's height. And the best thing is, it gets put away so nice and easy, so nice and fast, and very, very flat. It's got a maximum 330 pound capacity with the 4 wheels, and like 100 and almost 70 pounds as far as putting stuff on the 2 wheels. So you can use it as a flat cart, or you could use it as a hand truck itself. Watch this. You just do this. That locks into a hand truck mode. You put your lip out, and there you go. You got yourself a hand truck. See that? You can pile your boxes up however you want. Make your handle longer, taller, however you want. And it comes with some bungee cords too, where you can strap your stuff in. That way your boxes don't go flying while you're trying to deliver something inside. So hand truck mode with a hand truck, or you can go flat with this guy. I'll show you how to do that. You just put these two. This goes this way. One more time. Fold this guy flat. Fold these down. This will go this way. And this handle goes this way. Your wheels underneath get put away. Check out how thin this is. Watch. When you put it away, this is just how thin it is. Look at this. Nothing's in the way. Absolutely. Rubber handle, so you got a nice grippy grip when you're doing your deliveries. Rubber wheels, like I said. Mine still have film on them, but rubber wheels in the front. It's got stoppers in the front too. I just love how nice and easy it is to make it flat, put it out, and how super, super thin it is. Look at this. It's very thin to just put up against the wall inside your van or whatever delivery vehicle you're going to use for this. So if you guys want one of these, I'm going to leave the link in the description. You guys can look them up. Get yourself a nice, really portable hand truck. I mean, seriously, this thing takes up zero room. Zero room. You want to lay it down flat, you can lay it down flat. You want to put it up against the wall, you can put it up against the wall, however you want to do it. See that? Just laying down flat. However you guys want to put it. You can put it flat, upside, this side, whatever you want to do. However you want to store it, you can store it whatever way. Link is in the description. Christmas is coming up. You guys want to give your perfect loved one, somebody you care about, somebody who's in the delivery business, going in the delivery business, or really you want to have yourself a nice hand truck or for around the house, garage, shop, anything like that. This is it. Gets put away, takes zero room. This is going in my van. I'm gonna take my aluminum one out, and this is one that's gonna take its place. So slight little tiny assembly is required. You get 2 wheels that need to go in the front. Just need to put the nuts on and tighten them up. They come with a tool. Very common sense, like this. And you get some rubber straps, elastic ones. Actually, not rubber, I'm sorry. That way you can strap in your load, whatever you're putting on the cart. This is how it comes packaged in a box. Just like that.